Hi guys, viewers, how are you? Thank you for uh, coming and watching my YouTube tutorial. So let's jump to the today's topic. So today I am creating a small function in which we can calculate whether a customer is qualified for the loan or not. For this simple reason, I have write these few lines of codes. So first of all, you will write here minimum salary in case we have right here 30,000, which is eligible for the loan. So we can remove this maximum salary. We do not need here now. So in same as for maximum years. So in minimum years, must requirement for the loan qualifier is of 2 years. So these two criteria is fulfilled, then it will print you qualify for the loan. If these two not fulfill or any one of these not fulfill, then it will print you do not qualify for the loan. So first of all, we will create a variable with the name salary. So we want to enter to convert that float input should be what we ever write. Enter your annual salary. So it will prompt and we will write our annual salary, and here it will again ask your job. So I we can put here enter the number of years which will we work. So employed. So here is quote, if salary is greater than or equal to minimum salary and years on job equal to minimum years, so it will print you qualify for the loan. If this any of one and means if any one is not true, then it will print you are not qualified for the loan. So let's start and let's run our program that it is working or not. So let's see. So in case we are putting here, first of all, we want to print out that you qualify for the loan. 30, 1, 2, 3. Okay, enter the number of years, 2 years. Is printing you are qualified for the loan. So again, we will run and let's see. Let's see, we will earning $10,000. Three, okay. Employed for 2 years. You do not qualify for the loan. So here is one tip also. If we write here or let's see whether it is printing such a type of things or not. So let's see what happened. So okay, we are running. Enter your anniversary 30. Sorry, we have to here. Okay, $30,000 employed for 1 year. So you qualify for the loan. Yes, is it working? So or you can see the table that in or if any one statement is true, whether it is true or it is true, it will print true. So that's all for today. Hope you are like. If you have any suggestions and questions, you can comment on the comment box, and please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Okay, see you until next time.